Why is window cleaning a great business? From Claudio. That's a good question. Window cleaning is a great business because it's a low barrier to entry. So pretty much anybody can do it. It's easy to get started. It's not that technical. The hardest part of a window cleaning business is getting customers and then fulfilling the service. As long as you have a good personality or you care about the people, you'll be able to make them happy in the end. So that's number one. Number two, why is window cleaning a good business? Is because you learn so many things with the window cleaning business that are relevant to any other business on the planet. Whether it's, just dealing with employees or fulfillment, making customers happy. There's two ways to look at a window cleaning business. Number one, it's a customer acquisition or marketing business. You're just trying to get customers. So you learn about marketing, you learn about perception and value and providing that to somebody. And that crosses into every other business. It's also about customer satisfaction. You could say it's a customer service business, making somebody happy, fulfilling their expectations, and then going a little bit beyond to build a level of gratitude in them so that they become a sticky customer. Then the follow-up systems, making sure that you stay in front of them. All these different little nuanced things that you just can't learn in a university setting. It's even hard to learn if you don't own the business. It's a kind of funny thing. Window cleaning resource, windowcleaner.com, started out as an online forum. Now, I go way back with the window cleaning industry now, I guess. I've started 3 businesses, so I've been around a little bit. This business that I'm running right now has only been in business. We're right at the 5-year mark, right? Before that, I had the same business name in New York. I sold that to a couple of guys. And before that, I was in San Diego and I just didn't know what I was doing. In the interim, when I moved to New York, I listened to a lot of podcasts and learned a lot of things. But when I was first getting started, everything I knew was from the window cleaning resource forum, the online forum. It's still there. You can still look in the archives. And so many different people who started their businesses around 2010 today own multi-million-dollar businesses that do completely different things. There's a guy named Dave Carroll, and he has his own marketing company that I think did $20 million in revenue last year. He got his start doing window cleaning. He learned about marketing through his window cleaning business, fell in love with the marketing, and then started a marketing business and scaled it to the moon. Another business owner, a guy named Joshua Latimer. I learned most of what I know from that one guy. Joshua Latimer started his business, I don't know, around 2007 or something. He grew that to be multi-million dollars, sold it. And before he sold it, he started a software company called SendGym. Now, I don't know if he still owns part of it, but then he started a larger company called Service Moxie that did a lot more. And then he started doing something else now that's Warplan AI, which has a software plus decentralized coaching aspect to it. Needless to say, he's started over 5 businesses. It all started with the lessons that he learned through his window cleaning company. He learned all kinds of things that helped him. And he says to this day that there's nothing that he didn't learn through cleaning windows that wasn't applicable to every other business that he's ever consulted for. And so all of the little bits and pieces that you pick up when you start any type of a home service business in particular goes such a long way into whatever else you would do in life. Even if you close up shop after 2 years, you're going to get invaluable skills with management, with whether it's just you're managing your time and responsibility and following through and taking care of people and finding out the customer life cycle and customer journeys and understanding buyer psychology. All these different things that go into effectively running a window cleaning business can take you so much further in life. And there's another guy who started another software company, Responsibid, Kirk Kempton. He started a window cleaning business in Arizona and figured he needed a way to automate the bidding process. And so I use Responsibid to this day. There's actually a link in the video. If you want to support my channel, I'll get like a free month or something if you use the link to sign up. But Kurt learned everything to get started in his new business through window cleaning and now has a multi-million-dollar online software company. And so all these different things you can do to free up your time so that you don't have to be bogged down with the thoughts of it. And so you can have like a really bougie owner-operated business where you're working 30 hours a week making, and so let's just say automating a lot of those operations, which is getting easier and cheaper now with AI. Let's just say you could make all that cost $50,000 a year. You're still making 6 figures off of $150K working solo, only 30 hours a week for like 45 weeks of the year. You can use AI and create it yourself. I've been attending the AI for business training this week. Yeah, you can do so much with AI now. Just a side note with AI automations, like I've set up some automations in high levels, a powerful tool gets really complicated. Usually that's why people don't stick with it, is because it can do so much that it's like, you look at an elephant, you're like, I can't touch that. You just got to take it one bite at a time, focus on one automation at a time. Then you have tools like, if you don't want to have the, techie part going and figuring it out yourself, sometimes there's updates that come up or things that change. Like right now, there's a big regulation change in the state of Texas where everybody's in a panic about it because automated text blasts are basically illegal in Texas now. You can get fined like $1,000 per illegal contact. And so that could be like sending an outbound voice bot to somebody or sending in like a blast of text to a bunch of people. Now there's nuances but if you don't want to follow through with all the red tape and everything, then you can go with something like Jobber. Jobber has a lot of those things automated as well. As a matter of fact, they're really investing in that right now. They're about to do in September, they're going to be doing a new product launch showing some of the tools, especially AI centered with Jobber. By the way, if you don't have Jobber and you want to try it, there's a link in my description and you get 20% off for the first few months. And you can also get a 2-week trial if you want that. So I get a bonus if you sign up for that. So feel free to sign up or not, either way. But if you do sign up, use my link. There's no referral code or anything. But they're about to release some things with AI voice stuff, right? So they already have an AI voice thing, which you have to pay for a higher package to do it. But if you don't want to miss calls, it's kind of pays for itself. Missing one phone call that would have been a job pays for any software you might want to use. That could be $500 right there. But let's just say it was just $200. That pays for it. So using Jobber's AI voice, it works really well if you have it set up just for booking an in-person consultation. So you have to create an online booking. Jobber's AI voice relies on their online booking system in order to schedule appointments. The way that I have it set up on my end is if they want to book a consultation, either in person or virtual over the phone, they can book that really easily. And the AI bot does a really good job of getting that booked into the calendar so that nobody else can book another job at the same time. So that's how I use it.